Yes, Siri, please unmute yourself, beta. Are you there? Yeah, turn on the camera. Yes. Answer me, Safia. The answer me for the first question.
Sir, I did not do.
Why they are showing the different behavior? Because they have different neutrons, so and same number of electrons. So those elements that have same number of electrons are called same atoms, belong to same atoms, and they have having different neutron means they have different mass. So those elements that have different neutron means that have different mass, and different mass means same element having different mass are called isotopes. Okay. So what is the reason for this one? The two oxygen atoms are isotopes. Isotopes as they have different neutrons, i.e. different mass, different mass. Okay, note it down. Siri, are you there? Siri, are you there?
Yes, sir, but like my internet's not good. I can't hear you properly.
Note it down, i.e. different mass. The oxygen atoms are isotopes as they have different mass, as they have different neutrons. Neutrons, i.e. different mass, i.e. different mass. Yes, Farhan, are you there? क्या हो रहा है ये? Turn on your camera. Okay. So here we have the different questions. Write down question number 3. That why do helium, neon, and argons have zero valencies? Write it down too. Write down the question number 2 fast. Why do helium, neon, and argons have zero valencies? You are muted. You are muted. Farhan. Why do helium, neon, and argon have zero valencies? शो मी योर टेक्स्ट बुक, कहाँ पर लिख रहे हो तुम, दिखाओ मुझे। शो मी योर डेस्क, कहाँ पर बैठे हो, वेयर वेयर यू आर टेकिंग द क्लास। आर यू इन द ब्लैंकेट, lying on the bed?
Not
Show me. Are you taking the class properly? Sarah, back. Turn on your camera. Sarah.
Sir, it's on.
No, it's not on. You are not visible to me. Go to the setting. Go to video settings and then choose integrated webcam.
Okay, sir.
Here is the video sign. We have an arrow beside it. Click that arrow and choose integrated webcam. And note down this question number 3 fast. Are you writing this one, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? What is the answer for why do helium, neon, and argon? What is the specialty of neon, helium, and argon? What are they called? Not answering.
So I'm still doing that question.
Helium, neon, and argon have zero valencies. Why do they have zero valencies? Because they are noble gases. Noble gases. They are all helium, neon, and argon are noble gases, and they have completely filled shell. And they have completely filled shell. Filled shell. That's why they have zero valency. Zero valency. That's why they have zero valency. Means they don't require any atoms to uh, means they don't require any electrons. They don't combine with any element because they are already completely filled shell. Okay, so note it down. Sarah, why are you not turning on your camera?
Sir, it's on. I don't know why it's not working.
It has been last 6 months.
No, sir. It really happened after I came back from India, I think. Or after like November. I'm getting it fixed today though, after class.
You have been saying the same statement in every class. I don't know why. I used to teach you. I means if you keep your camera turned on, I will be able to see you physically that how you are performing. Face expressions are important. I want you to grow up, but you want to keep it high. It's okay. Question number 4. The atomic number and the symbol of an element which has mass 32 and the number of neutron in the nucleus is 16. बताइए क्या जवाब होगा इसका? Question number 4. What should be the answer for the question number 4? Answer for question number 4. Atomic number is asking. Sarah, don't you know?
Sir, I don't understand this question.
What is saying? The atomic number and the symbol of an element which has mass number. The mass number of an element that an element exists, its mass number is 32 and it has number of neutron as 16. So you know that atomic mass is equals to number of proton plus number of neutron, and number of proton is equals to atomic number. So if the atomic mass is 32, the number of proton we need to find out. Number of neutron is given 16. So what is the value of number of proton? Siri, can you answer? What is the value of number of proton? Simply minus कर दो भाई. 32 minus 16 is equals to number of proton. It will be 16 proton. Number of proton जो होता है is equals to number of the atomic number. So atomic number is 16. Simple. Sarah, can you guess the name of an element which has atomic number 16? What is the name of that element which has atomic number 16? कोई गैस नहीं, कोई आइडिया नहीं.
Sulfur? Sulfur?
Sulfur. Yeah, it is sulfur. Okay, let's you write the formulas of the compound. Okay, and try to calculate the mass of the following compounds also. Try to calculate, Sarah, the mass of the following compounds. I'm writing the mass of calcium is 40, mass of carbon is 12, mass of one oxygen atom is 16, mass of hydrogen atom is 1, mass of magnesium is 24, nitrogen is 14, sulfur is 32, is 32. All the element that will come here, I write their name, masses. Okay, please try to calculate the mass of the following. Try it fast. Do it. Are you calculating, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Do you know how to calculate? Like for example, if I'm just going to write calculate the mass of this one, calcium hydroxide. So this calcium has it has calcium element. How many oxygen atoms are there in this one? Can you guess how many oxygen atoms are there in F? Siri, can you guess how many oxygen atoms are there in this
What, sir?
compound? Here it will be two because this two is in the bracket, na? And hydrogen is also two. So you have one calcium because it is not in the bracket, it is out of the bracket, two oxygen and two hydrogen. So it would be for 40 for the calcium mass plus 2 into 16. O is 16. 2 into 16 plus 2 into hydrogen mass is 1. So we'll write here 40 plus 32, 60 to the 32 plus 2. 2 and the 2. So you will get 74. Okay. Try to solve the other fast. So you done? Any one of you have calculated? Anyone? कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का कैलकुलेट किया?
So,
Yes.
I didn't really understand. Can you explain again?
Just a minute. Let me plug in the headphone because your voice is not audible to me. See, just a minute. Yes.
Can you explain again? I didn't understand.
Okay. This is calcium carbonate. If you need to calculate the mass of calcium carbonate, CaCO3. How calcium? There is one element calcium here. One element calcium plus one element carbon plus three element oxygen. Got it? Got it? Now you have to put 1 into what is the mass of calcium? 40 plus, because we have one carbon here, so you have to write here 1 into 12 plus 3 oxygen atom because 3 is being out of the oxygen, so 3 is being multiplied. So one oxygen atom mass is 16. So you can write it, or you can write it 3 into 16. So 40 plus 12 plus 48. When you add them all, will give you 100. It gives you 100. Okay, got it? Do it fast. Calculate.
Calculate.
Yes, Naila and you, Zunaira, you're in 10th standard now.
Yes, sir.
And which subject class you are going to have?
Maths.
Maths class. With which sir? Name the sir. Who is going to?
Areva, ma'am.
Ariba ma'am. Okay. Were you having class with her, or you got, I mean, disconnected for some reason?
No, it has to start now.
It has to be started. Okay. Just a minute. So now you understood, Siri and Sarah, you understood that how to calculate
Yes, sir.
the molar mass.
Yeah.
So do this one, ethanol, C2H5OH. Calculate the mass. Yes, Naila and Zunaira. You have to join a different link. You have been provided. You joined the wrong link. Okay. So please join that other link that has been provided to your contact number. Okay. Zunaira and Naila. Yes, Sarah. Yes, Sarah. Did you have you calculated the mass of this one? Farhan, you immediately leave the class. I'm not going to teach you. Immediately leave it. Leave the class. Leave the class immediately. Is it the way to study? That whenever you want, you enter the class. Whenever you want, you leave the class. Turn on your camera. Farhan, I'm asking you. Yes. कोई तो बोल जाओ यार आज तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे मैं आई एम जस्ट फीलिंग दैट आई एम टीचिंग टू माई सेल्फ no emotions in the class, no discussions in the class, no question. I'm just giving you, you are just doing yourself, not asking anything, not let it be, the class is over, let it be. Let I be sit like this. Let a student do whatever they are doing. Should I share any funny video on this one? Let's enjoy the class. You are not answering me. And the chlorine mass is 35.5. Please find out the mass of this one. Mass of C2H5OH. Have you calculated the mass of C2H5OH? Any one of you? Sarah Baik?
No, sir.
No, sir. Show me your copy. Send me the photo. Let me check whether you are writing or not. Sarah, is your parent is along with you right now?
No, sir, they're not here.
Anyone? Anyone?
No.
Your sister? Anyone in the home?
No, not right now.
Not right now. You are alone in the home. Alone.
No, I'm not alone. They're just somewhere else.
So somewhere else where? Out of the room, na?
Yeah.
So please call them. Please call them immediately. I need to talk to him. I'm waiting. Yes, you, Siri. Have you calculated the mass of C2H5OH?
I'm doing it, sir.
No.
I'm doing it right now.
It is C2H5OH. Give this H also to this one. So it is actually C2S6O. And this H, if it is here, it will be counted C2H6O. Now count the total number of carbon. Carbons are 2, plus hydrogens are 6, plus oxygen is 1. Write down the value 12 plus 6 into 1 plus 1 into 16. Multiply, you will write 24 plus 6 plus 16. When you add it, you will get 60. 30 and 16, you will get 46 answer. इतना simple है. Sara, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You didn't go?
I don't know. I can't go now. I think my mom's not like outside. She's in her room.
Give me her contact number. I need to call her. Sara is not studying properly. She is a very bright student. She used to be a good student. And I will make, I'm damn sure if you keep your camera turned on, if you start properly studying, then we'll try to enhance your, we'll make you a bright student. But still, you are just hiding yourself. We don't know whether you are writing or not, whether you are studying or not studying.
I've been trying to fix my camera. I don't know what's because like last time actually my laptop, the Wi-Fi completely shut down. I already talked about it to the counselor.
To the next one, please. Have you noted this one, ethanol? Try to find out MgCl2. Mass of MgCl2. MgCl2. Magnesium has mass 24 and chlorine has 35.5.
Sir, 95 is the answer. 95.
95. 95 or 94?
95.
How 95?
24 plus 35.35 by
You have magnesium 1 plus chlorine 35.5. But you have one magnesium atom and two chlorine atoms. Two chlorine atoms. So one magnesium mass is 24 plus 35.52 into 35.5. Yes, you will get 71 plus 24, you will get 95. Very good. Good. Try the next one. The mass of ammonia NH2SO4. NH3 NH2SO4.
So which one?
That NH3 and H2SO4. E and C.
Sir, I didn't understand E.
It is NH3. 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen. Done? Farhan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please turn on your camera. Show me your notebook that we were studying in the for the one year, for the one. Show me your notebook that we were studying.
Yes.
After the class is going to end, we'll talk to your parents today. You came. मैं उससे बोलूंगा क्लास इसके लिए वो लीव कर जाएगा. Done? Yes. Have you calculated E, the mass of E?
Sir, I got
Sir,
17.
yeah, I
Yeah,
couldn't
17
find
is
it.
correct. And for C?
98.
Yes, Sarah, how much you got?
Same.
98, it is correct. Okay, we have done with the molecular mass. Now, what is the mass ratio? Mass ratio, just a minute. Let's move towards the, write down the molecular Have you remember the valency of the following elements? Like for example, if aluminium has valency 3 and chlorine has valency 1, so they will cross multiply each other, and the formula will be for aluminium chloride it will be Al 1 we don't write here 1 AlCl3. Like aluminium has valency 2, sorry 3, and oxygen has valency, oxide has valency 2. So they will cross multiply each other, it will be Al2O3. Got it? Al2. So I'm just writing the valency for some elements. Just try to write down their formulas. For example, just keep in mind here, like for example, you have to write the formula for aluminium sulfate. Aluminium is 3 and sulfate is SO4. So you SO4 valency is 2. So you have to cross multiply and you will find that the 3 is a number which is greater than 1. So you write Al2, the 2 will comes with this one. And this sulfate, when you write it, you have to write it in the bracket. When it is more than one atom present, or the polyatomic ion, we called it, more than one kinds of atoms, sulfur and oxygen are there. So that's why we write it in the bracket. The 3 will write going to write in the bracket. Got it? So just writing the valencies of someone, you have to write the name of some element and their valencies. So write down the formulas of the following compounds. Sodium sulfate, calcium carbonate, zinc nitrate, aluminum phosphate. Like for example, if I'm writing calcium oxide, so calcium has valency 2 and oxide also have valency 2. So when they are same, they will cancel out each other and they will be calcium oxide only, CaO. Writing sodium is +1. +1 matlab 1 valency. Sulfate is SO4 -2, valency is -2. Element formula is SO4. Zinc is +2. Nitrate is NO3 -1. Aluminium is +3. Phosphate is PO4 -3 valency phosphate. Calcium is +2 and sulfate we have already written here. With the help of this information, please write down the formulas of the following compounds.